In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Woocommerce customers. Whether you are tidying up your website's database, removing spam accounts, or simply want to delete a test account, understanding how to properly remove a customer from your Woocommerce store is essential for managing your online business efficiently. First things first, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is the control panel where you manage all aspects of your WordPress site, including your Woocommerce store. Simply navigate to your website, add /WP admin to the end of your URL, and log in with your credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted by the WordPress dashboard, a hub of quick links, updates, and activity overviews of your site. Next, you'll need to access the Woocommerce section of your dashboard. Look for the Woocommerce's option on the left-hand navigation menu. This menu item is usually located near the middle or bottom of the list, and it's distinctly marked with the Woocommerce logo. Click on it to expand the Woocommerce settings and features available to you. Once you're in the Woocommerce section, it's time to find the Customers menu. The Customers link should be visible as one of the options under Woocommerce. Clicking on this will take you to a page where all your store's customers are listed. This page is essentially a ledger containing valuable customer details such as names, email addresses, and the total number spent in your store, making it easier for you to manage your customer base. Now let's get to the main task, deleting a customer. In the list of customers that appears, you need to locate the specific customer you wish to delete. The list is usually organized alphabetically, but you can also use the search function to find a customer by name or email. This can save you a lot of time, especially if you have a large number of customers. Once you've found the customer you want to delete, you might expect to simply click a delete button directly from this list, but Woocommerce requires a bit more navigation for this action. Typically, you would click on the customer's name to view their details, and within their profile, look for an option to delete. However, the exact steps can vary slightly based on the version of Woocommerce and any additional plugins you might have installed that could alter customer management features. Before you proceed with the deletion, it's crucial to understand what happens when you delete a customer. Removing a customer from your Woocommerce database is irreversible and will delete all records associated with that customer, including their order history. Make sure you have a valid reason for this action, such as the customer's request to delete their data in compliance with privacy regulations, or if the account is clearly spam. If you're absolutely sure you want to delete the customer, proceed with the action. Once you confirm the deletion, Woocommerce will remove the customer and all associated data from your store. It's a good idea to double check your customer list to ensure the deletion was successful. After such a deletion, remember to keep your store's privacy and data handling policies up to date. If you regularly delete customer profiles, whether for cleanup or at the customer's request, consider how this aligns with your store's policies on data retention and privacy. A few final tips to ensure smooth operation. Always back up your WordPress site before making significant changes like deleting multiple customer profiles. This way, if something goes wrong, you can restore your website to its previous state. And familiarize yourself with GDPR and other privacy regulations that affect how you should manage customer data, especially about deletion requests. Conclusively, deleting a Woocommerce customer requires careful consideration and a few simple clicks. By navigating through your WordPress dashboard, accessing the Woocommerce section, finding the customer, and confirming deletion, you keep your store's database accurate and comply with any relevant data management policies. Remember, the power to manage your online store efficiently lies in understanding and using these tools effectively. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial, and make sure to check back for more insightful tips on managing your Woocommerce store.